Did you know that the average person makes over 35,000 decisions in a day? No wonder we feel overwhelmed. Feeling overwhelmed is common, but it can take a toll on our daily lives. Let's look at why this happens and how to fix it. Many of us feel overwhelmed due to information overload, constant multitasking, and the high expectations we set for ourselves. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout. The constant barrage of emails, notifications, and endless to-do lists leaves us feeling like we're always behind. To cope with overwhelm, here are 3 simple strategies to help reduce overwhelm. Number 1. Micro-prioritizing. Number 2. Set small boundaries. Number 3. Mindful moments. Let's break each of these down so you can easily implement the strategy. Number 1. Micro-prioritizing. Instead of tackling huge to-do lists, focus on just 1 or 2 important tasks each day. This makes your goals manageable and achievable. For example, Number 1. If you're a parent, prioritize attending your child's school meeting and preparing dinner over less urgent tasks like organizing the garage. Number 2. At work, focus on completing a crucial report and responding to key emails rather than trying to address all tasks at once. A great way to apply this into your daily life is with daily prioritization. Each morning, write down the 2 most important tasks for the day. Ensure these are specific, achievable goals. For instance, finish the quarterly report and prepare a healthy dinner for the family. Number 2. Set small boundaries. Protect your time and energy by saying no to commitments that do not align with your immediate needs or goals. Take, for example, declining a friend's invitation. You might say, "Hey, thanks for inviting me. Weeknights are tough for me to go out. Can we plan something for the weekend instead?" In the work setting where you are declining an extra project at work, you might say, "Hi, I'm swamped right now with current projects. Can we revisit this extra project in specific time frame?" Action item. Boundary checklist. Create a checklist of your primary commitments and use it to evaluate new requests. Ask yourself if the new commitment aligns with your priorities, or if it would overextend you. 3. Mindful moments. Incorporate brief mindfulness breaks into your day. Even 1 minute of deep breathing can make a huge difference. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Use a mindfulness app to guide you through a quick meditation session during lunch breaks. Action items. Mindfulness reminders. Set reminders on your phone to take a 1-minute mindfulness break every 2 hours. Use these moments to practice deep breathing, stretch, or simply sit quietly and observe your surroundings. Implementation tips. Start small. Begin with small changes to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Gradually integrate these strategies into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Consistency in applying these strategies will yield the best results. Make them a regular part of your daily habits. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on what's working and adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility will help you fine-tune your approach for maximum benefit. How do you manage feeling overwhelmed? Share your tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.